African Child Agenda was established in Ghana in 2021. We have been funding the refurbishment of basic schools that we use to also run additional lessons for local children. However, the face of education is rapidly evolving and we aim to ensure children are part of this future. We are appealing for your support to help us build the state-of-the-art co-ed international center of excellence, specializing in science, technology, engineering, arts, maths, and languages. Long gone are the days when children sit at desks reciting quotes. Now we are moving to a place and space that allows children the vision to be the new designers, creatives, and engineers of the future. Based on 5 acres of green land, the Phoenix Center of Excellence will boast 2 dormitories, a modern digital and hard book library, teachers' quarter, a multi-use food court which can be used for private hire, a video editing suite, a sensory and meditation suite, super-fast Wi-Fi, a theater and dance studio, and solar panels for the lighting. Digital learning and the tech industry will be part of everyday life. For example, artificial intelligence, the computer software that analyzes data to help solve problems and view items in new contexts. Blockchain, a decentralized ledger of transactions that allows for digital currency or cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin to be exchanged. The metaverse and 5G cellular technology will be the Phoenix Center of Excellence specialist subject areas. With a global shortage of individuals filling tech jobs, we will be able to help fill the skills shortage gap. New technology is making smart devices smarter, data more valuable, and cloud-based tools more efficient. It's turning autonomous vehicles into reality. It will disrupt business models, create new ways of working, and facilitate digital transformation. In the not-so-distant future, most technology applications will likely incorporate or harness the output of some form of artificial intelligence. Outdoors will have a tennis court, basketball court, and a wide range of extracurricular activities, as the physical well-being of our children is of the uppermost importance. With a 5-minute drive to the beach, and an hour's drive from some of the most historic landmarks in Ghana, the Phoenix Center of Excellence will be well situated within the area, and a safe space for your child. Click on the link below to donate to the future of education or go to our website to see full sponsorship and school plan details. www.theafricanchildagenda.org